Welcome to the Food Tech. In today's video, we'll explore cream, one of the richest dairy products. For detailed notes on this topic, visit our website. Link in description. What is cream? Cream is the high-fat portion of milk obtained either by gravity separation or more efficiently by centrifugal separation. It is an oil-in-water emulsion where milk fat globules are suspended in a continuous aqueous phase. General composition. Milk fat ranges from 18% to 50%. Water content varies between 45% and 72%. Proteins are present in the amount of 2% to 3%. Lactose, the milk sugar, constitutes approximately 3.5% to 4.5%. Minerals, also referred to as ash content, are present in the range of 0.2% to 0.3%. In addition to these, cream is notably rich in fat-soluble vitamins, specifically vitamins A, D, E, and K. Types of cream. Half and half contains between 10.5% and 12% fat. It is commonly used in beverages such as coffee or tea. Light cream has a fat content ranging from 18% to 30% and is typically used in soups and desserts. Heavy cream, also known as whipping cream, contains between 36% and 40% fat. It is essential in bakery applications and for whipping purposes. Manufacturing cream has a fat content of 40% or more and is ideally suited for the production of butter and cheese. Key constituents. Key constituents include fat globules encased in phospholipid membranes, giving cream its rich body. Proteins such as casein and whey, crucial for texture and stability. Lactose, providing natural sweetness. Essential minerals like calcium and phosphorus, and vital fat-soluble vitamins. Processing of cream. Step 1. Separation. Cream is separated from whole milk using gravity or more efficiently through centrifugal separators. Step 2. Standardization. Fat content is adjusted to create products like light or heavy cream. Step 3. Pasteurization. LTLT 63 degrees Celsius for 30 mins, HTST 72 degrees Celsius for 15 secs, UHT 135 degrees Celsius for 2 to 5 secs for long shelf life step. 4. Homogenization. Breaks down fat globules for better texture and prevents separation. Step 5. Cooling and storage. Cream is cooled to below 5 degrees Celsius to maintain quality and safety. Step 6. Packaging. Sterilized packaging prevents contamination. Labels show fat percent, expiry date, and storage advice. Step 7. Distribution. Fresh cream is refrigerated. UHT cream stays shelf-stable until opened. From coffee to cakes, cream adds flavor, richness, and nutrition. Its production combines tradition with technology for a safe and high-quality product. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe to The Food Tech for more dairy science content.